Hello, my dear students. Today, first of all, I want to congratulate you because if you are here in this moment, it means that you already have seen all the pictures about modal verbs. Now, today we are going to explain what are modal verbs and also the function and the pronunciation of each modal verbs. Remember that a modal verb it's a modal to express ideas about to permission, to request. For example, may I help you? For example, if it's ability can, I can drive a car. Yeah. So those modal verbs help to us when we are talking in a conversation according to that topic. For example, ability using the modal verb can, as you know here. So can or could. Example, David can speak three languages, or he could speak fluently French when he was free. This is about an ability. Yeah. Another type of modal verb is also can, could, and may. So we change the meaning, yeah, like the context, and we use it in the moment that we need it. For example, can I sit in the chair, please? Yeah, this is a permission. Or could I open a window? Yeah, podría. Yeah, and may I borrow your dictionary? Remember borrow, the meaning of prestar. Yeah. Now, another type of modal verb is should. For example, you should visit your dentist at least twice a year. Yeah, it's an advice, un consejo. You should try to lose weight. Yeah, this is another advice. When it's an obligation, you use the modal verb must, have to. For example, I must memorize all of these rules about tenses. That's very important. Or you have to take off your shoes before you get into the mosque. Yeah. So it's an obligation. It refers when you have to do, yeah, according to some rules. And possibility, you use might, may, could, or can. For example, I could rise, but it might be very expensive. Yeah, it might be una posibilidad. Or Richard may be coming to see us tomorrow. It's a possibility. We don't know if Richard comes or not. So that's the modal verbs. I hope you enjoyed the activity. So we are going to make a review then. So the idea is that you review those tenses, yeah, and practice them. So bye bye. See you then.